Welcome back, chemistry fans. Today, I'm going to show you a brief little activity called neon test, essentially is what this is, where we are going to show evidence that there is energy levels inside of the atom, that once we put energy into the atom, into the electrons, it will force the electrons to move to a higher energy level called the excited state. And when they come back to their ground state after they have used up what extra energy they have, they streak a light that we can see. And there's a blending of all of the electrons that are in this excited state, but we're going to separate them by using a prism. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my camera over, and then we will view these with a filter. Okay, so what you are seeing is a neon tube filled with helium, and the color is not so dramatic. It looks almost like it's a palish pink white here. But if I then put the filter in front of it, what you will notice is that color shows some distinct patterns in it. So now you can see that streak is made up of a bunch of individual colored lines, and that's what we wanted you to see with the filter, with the prism, so that those individual colors that we're seeing are not just one color. Now, this looks very bright in comparison, a nice purpley pink. And if we put, again, the filter in front, what you can see is that, okay, so there's the color to the left, and then what you see it's made up of is, it looks like it's got a red, a yellow, a green, some teal, and then another of the indigo colors in it. Oh, here's a nice, oh, by the way, that was just air. This is neon. This is your typical neon. So it looks like a nice bright orange, and we put the filter into it, and notice, yeah, it pretty much stays in that orange color, but it does have a few green, purple, and blues on it there. And so here we have it again. It's got a red, an orange, it's got a lot of yellow in it, green, purple, blue. So it's got a bunch of different colors. And then here will be one of the last ones we can see here. This one is carbon dioxide, and we'll put the filter then on H2. So this one is hydrogen. It's another nice fuchsia pink. And so if we put the filter on it, what we can see then is it has a lot more of the blue, and it has a little bit of the red, and it has a little bit purple, maybe something of a yellow somewhere in there, but mostly we're talking that was in the blue range. And then the last one, nitrogen and argon. Nitrogen, not going to see much different from what the air was, because air is pretty much the same. So let's then go through argon. Argon, let's see, has more electrons. Let's see how that plays out for us. And it looks like it has shifted a lot of its color towards the green and towards the orange. Okay. Well, this is everything that I wish to share with you. Just making note that this is proof that there are energy levels. Thank you so much for your time. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.